Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T here. Today we are doing a classic dark smoky eye for Valentine's Day. I feel like this is like my go-to. I'm trying to show out on a girl's look. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Tierra. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, hello. You know me as T. This is my first sit-down makeup video of my Valentine series / in my new place. So we don't even have to do all of that chitty chatting. Let's get into a look, cause like what? And this took me like not even 45 minutes. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video.
Alright guys, so right off the bat, we are using some of my favorites. I'm using the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Cosmetics. The GOAT. Favorite foundation on this earth. It has me in a chokehold since it's come out last summer. I cannot stop using it. This is like my 4th bottle since it came out. Look at the color. It like matches my skin perfectly, which is rare. Jumping right in with the NYX Duo Stick, and I'm using the color Deep, so keep that in mind because I'm not that dark and they should have more shades. We're not gonna get into that. Juvia's Place Concealer, the GOAT, my favorite, shade 12. This is the perfect placement on my face for all of my contour needs and my highlight needs, so just keep that in mind. I am a brush girly when it comes to fixing and blending out my concealer. I know some people use beauty blenders. I know other people use their fingers. I personally like a good old angled brush, and ideally just slightly a little dirty. We are patting and not rubbing here. It started to dry a little bit, so keep that in mind. I was trying to be cute and record another video where I needed this mapping done, and I had to actually put in some work to get this blended out without disrupting my foundation way too much, which I usually don't put a ton of foundation on my forehead to begin with, so it's not the end of the world. And anything that was like looking crazy, look at my bicep. Anything that was looking crazy, I just fixed it and hid it with my bronzer. Jawline, come on, it's back, baby. Look at that. Period. Getting that nose done, my least favorite thing, but I know that a lot of people get mad when I skip it. We are setting with Laura Mercier translucent powder and honey, and now I'm using the One Size bronzer, the Trio. It's also in the shade Deep, so y'all do with that information what you will. I'm looking just the way that I like. I love when my base is just perfect. I did skip putting on blush, but I used e.l.f. in the shade Caribbean in their Putty Blush. Alright, so now we are jumping into the shadows, and I am using my tried and true Juvia's Place, the Chocolates palette. It's my favorite palette for really everything, but definitely for my smokies. I'm using that lighter brown, and I'm keeping it in this like triangular lifted shape because I want my eyes to look really cat-eyed. And now we're going in with a deeper brown, and it's more cool tone versus the warm tone one, to just really start to build up that crease. And then finishing off with a black. I'm using this from the Gemini palette from Milk Cosmetics. Now we're buffing all of that out with a fluffy brush, and then adding in a highlight from their Nudes palette from Juvia's Place. It's just like their shimmery color. I'm using the Whatever palette from ColourPop. I added in that extra shimmer in that eyelid, and then I'm using the color Mr. Brightside to add in this like cranberry deep burgundy color. Now I'm tightlining and adding liner on the top and bottom. And then after that, I use an angled little brush to just buff all of that out and to smudge it out so that it has more of that smoky look. These are Libra lashes. Love them, my favorite. From the Luxe Effect, of course. Now we're dropping the hair down, girl. Dropping it. Come on, get into it. Let's get into this lip. The eyeliner I just used on my eyes, I'm now using on my lips. I'm using this bright red from Juvia's Place in there, and I'm trying to keep it in the center at first, and then afterwards I'll blend it with the lipstick and leaving the very edge black. And now I'm using a t-shirt to clean up my liner because that's what I'll be doing. Using my nails. Look at that. It's perfect. Ah, so pretty. So pretty. Lastly, I almost forgot to put on a little bit of highlight. So we are putting that on. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill's The Flare palette. One of my favorites to this day. And I kept it nice and silvery.
Let me know what you guys think about this look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting. We are getting back into the groove of things. Thank you, God. My health is in a better place. My studio is finally unpacked. All of that fun stuff. It's been a lot of transitions in my personal life, so just bear with me here, guys. And I thank you guys for supporting me. More consistent being inconsistent these days than the other way around, but we're going to change that in 2025. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.